Okay, guys, this is what's left of the pork chops and gravy with rice and vegetables. My husband decided to make a little treat to go with it so we would have enough for dinner. Okay, baby, tell them what you made.
Chicken breast with lemon pepper seasoning and garlic romano.
I'll wait until you see the finished product. It is going to be deliciousness. So here it is, guys. A quick peek. So we'll be back to let you see the final results. Okay, guys, here is the chicken. Nice and golden brown. Don't it look deliciousness? Here is the second platter. And here is the third. So we have 2 chicken chests apiece to go along with the dinner. Now these are the chicken chests that we got from Jules during that mega sale. You guys, if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you haven't seen the video, please check out chicken prices in 2024 and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And here is the biscuits. My husband loved them so much now. Before we got married, he had never tried one. I made them for him one time and he was hooked. So now he makes them all the time. So now we're gonna plate it up. And here it is, guys, all plattered up. Now tell me that's not enough to fill a hungry belly. Happy eating!